Hello friends, welcome to the Caribbean. Right now I am in St. Thomas. I just got off a sailboat sailing around the Caribbean and I've just had the funnest time, but I haven't made any sourdough as you can imagine. But I am staying at the cutest little bungalow here in St. Thomas with a swimming pool. And just look at this view out my patio. It is just adorable up here and such a beautiful location. And there's Josephine. She's my new friend. There's Dennis, my husband. And where's Coco? Coco! Coco's playing catch. She loves to play ball. She's insatiable. She'll never have enough of this. And Josephine up top. So, having a lovely time in St. Thomas. And I'll be back making sourdough soon enough. But you all have a wonderful day. And for now, stay tuned to Daily Sourdough. I will have more recipes coming up. Bye-bye.